All right, so welcome back. This is your second installment of the video. So let's go to the PowerPoint that's you can download off your folder there. All right, so here we go. Let's go back to the top here, and you'll have now. Here are my office hours, 3 to 4 on Monday or by appointment. What I'd really prefer you do is give me a call. All right, I've found some of you out there are non-traditional students and you work and various other things, and you might even be a little bit older, so you're much more comfortable using the phone. And I've found that we can get a heck of a lot done in one phone conversation, vice having a bunch of um, having sending a bunch of emails back and forth on something. That in one 2-minute phone conversation, we can figure the entire thing out. All right, so I kind of like it that way. All right, okay. Here's the intro to the course. Here's the things we're going to be looking at, and some other things. Now, I have on your webpage this article on the poor Caltech basketball team. Here, just to give you a picture of what these boys are like. Let's watch this quick video here, if I can find it really fast, on Quantum Hoops. Sorry, I'm wasting your time on this a little bit. Trailer. I won't do this to you too much. I forgot that I wanted to do this. Here we go. This is pretty funny.
Imagine playing a full basketball season and not winning a single official game. That's bad. Now imagine doing that for 21 straight seasons. That's brutal.
Air ball, and it hits some cheerleaders behind the basket. 80-46 is our final score.
With liquid nitrogen, you could do a lot of things that are quite fun.
Number of valedictorians on the team this past year was 8. The number of players that played high school varsity basketball is 6.
I knew the streak coming in, which made me confident that I could play on the team.
Chris on the chalkboard there wrote, "You may have beaten us, but can you solve this integral?"
After that, I started writing it on every chalkboard.
A lot of people on the inside here have said this is impossible, that you can't make this better. You can't have some level of success. In fact, you can't have some level of success, but you can't have any success here whatsoever.
It's the incredible true story.
Someone in the stands was yelling, "Hey, should you be doing homework right now?" Well, yeah, I actually do need to.
Of the world's smartest basketball team.
My life would have been a lot worse here if it wouldn't have been for basketball.
Who have one last chance.
You gotta play. There's nothing to lose. We lose one more game. What's the difference?
To do the impossible.
How many of these kids were standout basketball players in high school?
None of them were standout players.
Just a shock that he's able to change the culture so much that those kids are really believing they have a shot.
Part of what they do here is let the rest of the world know why things are not impossible.
Anyway, I haven't seen that movie yet, and I would like to someday. I've got most of our stuff in Google Chrome here, so I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, so let's move on. So let's figure out what is. The article is there on your thing, and you've got a few questions in your homework about it. Is in your folder for week 1 or for lesson 1 here. All right, so let's figure out what is physics. What are we talking about when we talk about physics? It's concerned with the very small and also the large, such as distant galaxies and everything in between. Other topics we'll cover: why non-wood bats outperform wooden bats. And we'll also look again at the environmental impact due to the warming of the climate. Ash is going away, and the Major League Baseball has had to go to wooden bats. And one of the things we'll find out too is that the reason major leaguers don't use aluminum bats is we would kill first baseman and third baseman. Those guys are just too powerful and too strong, and the pitches come too fast to play with aluminum, and they'd have to move all the walls back 100 feet because they're just too much. Why golf balls are dimpled? How high a pole vaulter can go? Oh, let's take a look at a quick pole vault. What do you say? Real fast. So I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I'll do that within the parameters of my thing. So here, let's look at. There you go. Let me back it up.
He's ready to go for his next attempt at this height. Oh!
This is amazing.
Brazil enjoy the moment. That could be a goal.
Oh, buffering.
Leap as the 22-year-old on his second attempt. And he goes clear at 6:03. So he takes the Olympic record off Lavinine.
Find out why. I know I was experiencing interruptions there. So let's go ahead and cancel that, and I can take this off the table. So what I need to do is all these other videos that I'm going to have you watch, I'm going to stop and we will move on, and then I'll just make them a separate thing that will add to the mix. In fact, I'm going to add I'm going to add that pole vault as right after this portion of the lecture. As a matter of fact, let's stop here.